Hi folks, I'm John Accardo, and I just received my Siemens FS290 portable clamp-on flow meter system. As you might expect, there's quite a bit of hardware to sift through, so let's take a look inside the box and see what you can expect to find when you receive your system. Okay, so I've opened the box, and wow, we have a lot of stuff to look at. Let's begin with the transmitter electronics. This is the waterproof portable transmitter. It's model FS290. When you couple it with the FS200 flow sensors, it becomes a system FS290. It's designed for use on liquid applications only on all pipe types and sizes. The detailed system part number can be found on the label inside of the door of the enclosure. It identifies your complete meter configuration, including sensor information, battery selection, power source, and any accessories and cable lengths that you may have ordered. In addition, any options that you may have ordered would also be included in the part number. The part number is useful for verifying the parts you received and if you ever need to call for technical assistance. The FS290 transmitter is a single-path system with a fixed output and communications arrangement. On the top of the meter enclosure, you'll see the connections for your flow sensors, multiple output terminal, power connection, and communication port. Every FS290 comes equipped with a current, pulse, and relay output, along with Modbus communications. The meter is powered by its rechargeable lithium battery, but can also be operated using an optional power supply and AC adapter connected to mains power. Again, the system label found inside the door will provide the configuration details of your system. Along with your FS290 transmitter, you'll receive one or more sets of FS200 flow sensors and mounting hardware. Characters 8 and 9 of the system part number define what sensor size and type you'll receive and what mounting hardware. Since this is a portable meter, it can be used on a wide range of pipe sizes and types. To facilitate such usage, a variety of check meter kits are offered that contain multiple sensor sizes. Therefore, instead of a single set of sensors, you may receive one of these check meter kits. They are indicated by a 2 in the sensor code, such as seen on this meter, which indicates sensor code 2P. With many possible sensor and mounting options, let's take a closer look at what they are. If your flow meter was ordered with just a single set of flow sensors, standard flow sensors would be indicated by a 0 and a letter. The 0 represents standard temperature range up to 250 F, while the letter represents the sensor type and size. For example, a 0D would be a size C3 universal sensor. Sensors are selected at the time of ordering. High temperature sensors are indicated by a number 1 and a letter. The letter represents the sensor size. For example, 1C would be a size 3 high temperature sensor. As previously mentioned, check meter kits are indicated by a 2 and a letter, with the letter identifying the sensor type and sizes within that kit. Once again, this meter was supplied with the 2P check meter kit, which includes a full set of high precision sensors to cover a wide range of pipes. To install your sensors on your pipe, you'll receive an appropriate set of mounting hardware. This can take the form of either mounting frames with a spacer bar or mounting tracks. Each uses special portable mounting chains which are supplied in lengths appropriate for the sensor size you received. If you receive mounting frames in order to install your sensors, they utilize a spacer bar to set the appropriate distance between them. The portable meter comes with a special segmented spacer bar that allows you to achieve the spacing distance required for your pipe, regardless of the diameter. Tracks, on the other hand, have built-in mounting positions identified on the side rails. As previously mentioned, my system came with a check metering kit, so I received magnetic mounting frames which can accommodate any size C, D, or E sensor, along with a spacer bar to mount to the pipe. Additionally, mounting chains were supplied for use on pipes where magnets won't work, such as plastic or stainless. In such cases, the frames can be attached to the pipe using only chains. For small diameter pipes, I also received a set of mounting tracks. In addition to the mounting hardware that we just covered, you'll find a few more items contained within the hardware kit in the accessory pack. These include a number of items for installing your sensors, including a mylar roll known as a mounting guide, a tube of coupling compound, and an ordinary sanding block for cleaning up your pipe. The mounting guide is a tool that's necessary if you'll be installing your sensors in direct mode, where they are on opposite sides of the pipe from each other. The use of this tool and the procedure for mounting flow sensors in direct mount is covered in separate videos. Coupling compound is a necessity for all clamp-on flow meters. It's applied to the face of the sensor that contacts the pipe, creating an optimal path for the sonic energy to transfer into the pipe wall. Its function is similar to what medical teams use when they perform a sonogram. Since the FS290 system is primarily powered from its rechargeable lithium battery, there is an option to purchase up to 3 of them. The number of the batteries supplied with the order is indicated by the number in position 11 of the system part number as a 0 through 3. This meter indicates a 2, so 2 batteries were supplied. This enables continuous use while the second battery is charging. The FS290 system is in use worldwide. Therefore, the supplied battery charger is selectable based upon your region and identified by the letter code in position 10 of the system part number. This meter indicates the letter code F, which is for use in North America. The FS290 can also be powered directly from an AC power source with the use of the optional power pack. Like the battery charger, it's regionalized. Position 15 of the system part number will indicate if this option is selected. This meter indicates a 5, which identifies a power pack type K for North America has been selected. This option is only to power the meter. It will not charge the battery. The FS290 is supplied in an IP67 weatherproof case. The IP67 rating is maintained when the I/O connections are capped when not in use or connected using appropriate cables. For this reason, to access any of the analog I/O terminals or digital communications via Modbus, a special connection junction box is available. If this option was ordered, position 12 of the system part number will indicate a 1, and you will receive this junction box for termination of your output wiring. And finally, cables are needed to connect the FS290 transmitter to the FS200 sensors. All cables are portably terminated with BNC connectors and come in pairs. The cable length is indicated by the K adder in the part number. In this case, K22 is indicated, which represents 15-meter cables. So there you have it. While there seems to be a lot of variety, fundamentally each order contains the same components: the flow transmitter, flow sensors, mounting hardware, batteries, and cables. This video has introduced you to what you can expect to find in the box when you receive your FS290 system. I hope you found it helpful. Please be sure to check out our other videos that provide instructions for programming, installation, input-output connections, and evaluation of your system. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.